Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Melbourne Gardener. Today I accidentally deleted a video that I had uploaded yesterday about installing sisilation foil paper by yourself. And so I really wanted to redo that video. For some reason, yeah, it just got lost and I must have accidentally pressed delete. So yesterday, what I taught you was how to safely take one panel at a time and roll sisilation paper from top to bottom. That all remains true. All you got to do is unscrew these barge flashings, and then unscrew these. And what you got to do is you got to roll it from top to bottom and stretch it out as much as you can, and then create a barrier that will reduce and remove the condensation that drips from underneath when the cold air hits the metal. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm just coming down the ladder right now. So this is what it looks like. And I overlapped it here by roughly 100 to 150 millimeters, and it's about 1.35 meters wide. Now, did I do an awesome job? Not really. You can probably tell some stretch marks there. It's actually surprisingly hard to get it really tight, even though you've got these nails and everything. And I tried stretching it as much as I could just by hand, and I couldn't do it properly. And so after careful consideration, I have decided that I will remove this foil insulation. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You're like, what? What's going on? You're making a video about how to install it, and now you're removing it? Well, in all honesty, I just somehow like this raw look. I think it's just very classic and open. The metal and the wood. Like I looked at this last night and I'm like, I just don't like this foil look. I mean, look, don't get me wrong. You definitely want this inside your roof. But for me, since it's an open roof and it's not inside my house, I've decided that I will take it off. So today's video is really about, well, yes, you can install this by yourself if you would like. And it's probably really good for if you decide to cover your roof. But for my purposes, I am not going to cover my roof, and so therefore I've decided the open look with the metal is what I want and what I'm going to keep. And so that's that. And look, hopefully this video is useful to you. And yeah, so this is, how to install roof sisilation foil paper, but also a good warning for those around, what look you want and whether or not it's for you. And for me, I have decided that it is not for me. So I am going to get rid of it and move on. All right. Well, have a lovely day. And it's a nice sunny day today. So looking forward to ripping this out as soon as I can. And then, just going with the bare metal again. All right. Take care, everyone. See you in the next video.